Meet the eFOLDi compass, your ultralight, fold-in-seconds travel companion. We'll show you how to get started. Unbox your eFOLDi compass. The charger is inside the cardboard insert. Pause here if you need to check. Keep your packaging for future servicing. Step 1. Assemble the steering column. Loosen the cog so there's a gap. Release the handlebar from the clip and lift upright. Then tighten the cog to secure. Step 2. Lift the backrest until it clicks into place. Armrests can be added by slotting them in and tightening the knob. Final safety checks. Ensure the cog is secure and make sure the red magnetic brake lever is locked. That's it. Now your scooter is ready to ride. Step 1. Fold the backrest. Pull the yellow toggle to release the seat, then fold the backrest flat. Step 2. Collapse the handlebar. Loosen the cog, lower the handlebar flat, and clip it in place. That's it. Compact, secure, and travel ready. Grip the compass at either end of the footplate to lift safely. Place a blanket on the boot edge, then roll it in smoothly. Charge on board, or remove the battery to charge separately. Press the grey button to power on. Check the battery gauge. Select drive or reverse, and press the horn when needed. All the controls are simple and intuitive. Your compass is ready. Just unfold and go. Wherever life takes you, we are here to make the ride smooth and stress-free. Need help? Visit eFOLDi.com or give our team a call.